Okay, there's the electrical pole up there. I started to rough it in for some of that. That trench comes down. There's a 2-inch pipe that comes from there. We got that done back in November. And it came down inside of here. This is inside the well house. I got those pipes cut there. You get a fish tape and find out which one we're going to be tying into. And then I just got the panel hooked up. I had to put a few adapters in. I had to go from a 2-inch to 1.5. And then I got the panel there. And there's 50 amps coming down here. 30 of it will be for the pump on the well. And then 20 amps will be for, I guess an outlet, maybe a light inside here. And then it's also going to feed the shed, which will come on the outside of the building over here to the right. I'm going to get some 3/4 inch conduit. It'll go down inside that trench there. And then about where that stake is there is where the storage shed will be. I want to get some lights and a few outlets over there as well. So that's the plan. I got to head to Lowe's right now and go get that stuff. Get a few water connections, and that'll be for today. Piece by piece. Dreams coming true. I love you, honey.